In this video, I'll show you how to add transparent background to images in Figma. This is useful when you want clean exports for UI elements, logos, or overlays without any visible background. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the frame you're working on. In Figma, frames act like artboards in other design tools, and every frame has a background by default, usually white. With the frame selected, look at the right sidebar and make sure you're in the Design tab. Scroll down until you see the Fill section. This is where the frame's background color is controlled. There are two simple ways to make the background transparent. The first option is to lower the opacity of the fill. Click on the fill color, then reduce the opacity all the way down to 0. The frame will still exist, but its background will be fully transparent. You can still resize it, add layers inside it, and manage everything normally. The second and cleaner option is to remove the fill completely. In the Fill section, click the minus icon to delete the fill. This leaves you with a frame that has no background at all, which is ideal if you want true transparency without any risk of color showing up later. When you're ready to export, this step is important. Make sure you export the frame as PNG, SVG, or PDF. These formats support transparency. Avoid JPEG because it does not support transparent backgrounds and will automatically add a white background. And that's it. You now know how to create a transparent background in Figma and export it correctly for real use in your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.